Here is our property analysis engine, where you can quickly and accurately understand the long-term value of any property. Here you can see the high-level information about the property, including photos, a street view, nearby school data, and more. The left-hand bar is your input variables. This is where you plug in your strategy approaching the property you want to analyze. All the numbers in blue are customizable. For example, you can adjust your purchase price, closing costs, renovation budget, and even add a loan to account for financing. You can also adjust your operating expenses, projected revenue, and annual growth estimates to get an even more accurate analysis. After you finish plugging in your input variables, you're ready to check out the reports. The first one is price impact, which quickly shows you how the purchase price of this property is going to impact your bottom line. Next is our value over time. Click on this to see the different ways purchasing this property will benefit you in the long run. You can also review many other reports like your amortization schedule, cash flow report, or even nearby comps. You can easily share a link to this analysis, save it to a portfolio for easy access in the future, or download the reports to a PDF file.